Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by a bunch of old Figma plugins you never use anymore, or maybe you just want to keep your design workspace neat and tidy, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to remove plugins from Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know two simple methods for deleting plugins, so you can focus only on the tools you actually need. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you're logged in and working inside Figma. If you're like me and bounce between different projects, it's easy to forget which browser tab you're in. So take a moment and double-check you're on the right workspace before moving forward. Now, for the first method, we'll be heading to the main menu. You'll find this at the top left corner of the Figma window. It usually looks like a little hamburger icon. Give that a click. From here, scroll down and look for the section labeled Plugins. It might be tucked away with some other options, so don't rush, take your time. Once you see Manage Plugins, go ahead and click on it. This section is essentially your command center for all the plugins you have installed. You get a clear list, which is super helpful for seeing everything at a glance. Maybe you notice a catchy color palette plugin you tried once but haven't touched since, or maybe there's a prototyping tool you'd rather uninstall. But maybe you're working from a specific file and want a quicker access point. If that's the case, look toward the bottom of your Figma window. You'll see an option called Actions. Click on it and you'll find another entry labeled Plugins and Widgets. This route is almost like taking a hidden side door into the exact same plugin management area, so use whichever path feels more intuitive to you. Once you're in your plugin list, scroll to the specific plugin you want to remove. Take a look to the far right side of that plugins row. There should be three little dots, usually called an overflow or more menu. It's easy to miss, especially if you have a bunch of plugins installed, so if you don't see it right away, just move your mouse slowly across and it should pop up. Click those three dots and you'll see a small menu open up right there next to the plugin name. In that menu, you'll have the option to remove. Click that and just like that, poof, the plugin is removed from your Figma. No more clutter. There's no confirmation window in most cases, so once you click remove, it's gone right away. So just double check you're removing the right plugin, especially if you have a lot of similar sounding ones. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always reinstall a plugin later through the Figma Community tab. And that's all there is to it. Removing plugins in Figma is quick and painless once you know where to look. It's a great way to declutter and speed up your workflow, so I definitely recommend reviewing your list of plugins every now and then. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more design tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this one. Got a question or ran into a snag? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.